Hello, I'm Bruce Freed, and I'm here today to give you an idea of how Principles of Accounting 1 on WebCT is going to work this semester. You should have all by now at this point have received a letter from me in the mail if you enrolled early for the course, which tells you how to navigate around WebCT and how the course is going to work. If you have not received that letter as of yet, please make sure that you do go to the home page for the course and pull that off of WebCT. Please make sure that you also run not just the letter, but the syllabus. Run both of them off and read them in detail. They will explain the majority of the information about this course. Additionally, today I hope to answer the majority of the questions that you may have. So again, everything that I'm pretty much going to tell you today will also be on the syllabus or on the letter that I sent you. First of all, I want to remind you that this course is really not self-paced. This course requires you to get your work done on each chapter weekly. And on the syllabus, if you look at the syllabus, you will see that the syllabus does spell out week by week what needs to be done for each chapter. And then there are 4 exam weeks. Please make sure that you do take the exam during the exam week. If you don't, unfortunately, you will have to receive a 0. So therefore, the course is not self-paced other than the fact that you get to work on the chapter each week at the time you pick. There's a number of modalities that I supply you with for the course. First of all, you do have the course text. When it comes to the course text, you can purchase it in a number of ways by going to our bookstore, either in person, or you can go even online and get your text. First of all, you can get your text by ebook. That will be the cheapest way to get the entire text. The second way you can purchase your text is you can buy a half of it. The text can be purchased 1/2 at a time. If you know you're only going to take Principles 1 and not go on to Principles 2, then you should purchase the hard copy half book. That will save you a lot of money. However, if you're not sure if you're going on to Principles 2 or you know you are, I would purchase either the ebook or the whole copy. Additionally, there is another packet called the Working Papers, which will supply you with all the pages and have everything set up to do your homework in. That is also required for this course. So first of all, you have the textbook. Second, I'll supply you, once you're online and in WebCT, I'll supply you with a PowerPoint presentation, which you can copy off of WebCT onto your own computer. That way you do not have to constantly get onto WebCT to get that. Third, I will give you a written analysis for the majority of the chapters. Do not use this as the sole thing to study with, but on the written analysis, I pretty much I cover what I've found students to have a hard time with or questions with in that particular chapter. Fourth, I give you an audio. On this audio, again, it is not all-inclusive, but again, it covers material in the chapter that I've found students to have problems with. And fifth, you will have a video that is very similar to this. And the one thing that I do want to tell you is that if you don't do anything else, you do need to, at a minimum, watch the video. Not watching the video is like not coming to class. So again, I've given you a number of items to use to study with. Again, the syllabus spells out chapter by chapter what you have to have done for each week. Then there is homework. The homework is not part of your grade. However, you should do all your homework, because if you can do your homework, you can do what's on the exam. Also spelled out in the letter that shows you how to navigate around WebCT, it will show you where to go to get your solutions. And every single problem in the textbook you will have the solution for, so that all the homework that you do, you can look and see what the answer is, and any other extras that you would like to do, you can also go and take a look at that additionally. If you ever have any problems, please make sure that you either call me, you can email me, and I do ask when you email that you do email through WebCT, because I have well over usually 150 students each semester, and I like to keep my WebCT students straight from my regular classroom students, so please email me through WebCT. When it comes to email, please check for emails daily also from me. I will email you a number of times during the week with various information. And usually when a student asks a question about a chapter, I usually do not just answer that particular student. I usually copy all the students in the course, and then that way it possibly will address a question that you were possibly thinking about also. So again, please make sure that you put out the proper time for the course, and I will see you real soon in cyberspace. Bye for now.